Good morning, all of you. Hydroxy compounds, alcohols. Nucleophilic substitution reaction of tertiary alcohol we are going to discuss in this video. We know tertiary alcohol follow SN1 mechanism, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. When the rate of nucleophilic substitution reaction depends upon the concentration of the substrate only and the order of the reaction is 1 and is called SN1 reaction. It is a two-step process. The first step involves formation of cation. In the second step, a nucleophile substitute OH minus ion. An example of tertiary alcohol is tertiary butyl alcohol. Now we write the molecular formula CH3, C, CH3, CH3. Now OH, oxygen has 2 pair of electron on it. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? This is our main chain 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon in the main chain, root word prop, carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH 2. In the same second carbon we have 1 methyl. So what is the IUPAC name? 2-methyl propane 2-ol. When treated with hydrogen bromide HBr, H becomes plus, Br becomes minus. What happens? Plus moves towards minus, oxygen donate a pair of electron. Oxygen donate a pair of electron. Oxygen donate a pair of electron to H plus. Thereby a new bond is formed between oxygen and hydrogen. You will get CH3, single bond carbon. Here you have one CH3. CH3. Now oxygen donated a pair of electron to hydrogen. A new bond is formed. Here you have one hydrogen and has one lone pair of electron. Because of oxygen donated a pair of electron, it gets positively charged. In our hand we have Br minus. You know, whenever oxygen donate a pair of electron, it remove a pair of electron from nearby bond. It remove a pair of electron from nearby bond. Carbon lose its electron and here water molecule is removed first. Oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen. It has one pair of electron. It remove one pair of electron from the nearby bond plus. Carbon lost its electron, therefore CH3. C, CH3, CH3, charge on carbon becomes plus. So this is the first step in which a tertiary butyl carbocation is formed. This is your tertiary butyl carbocation. Nothing but the center atom is sp2 hybridized. To this carbon plus, if you add Br minus directly, we will get the product. First step, we removed one Br minus. If you add Br minus, the Br minus approaches the substrate carbon atom from either side, front side or back side, gives the product. What is the product obtained? CH3, here you have carbon atom, another CH3, here CH3, one Br minus is added to the substrate carbon atom. This is our product. What is the name of this product? 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon prop, carbon single bond N propane. Second carbon containing one Br and second carbon containing one methyl. Therefore, 2 bromo, 2 methyl propane, 2 bromo, 2 methyl propane, IUPAC name of this compound. There is one more possibility of elimination reaction may takes place in this step. What is that elimination reaction? See carefully. From the carbon atom, tertiary carbon atom. Now I write this tertiary butyl carbocation. In this place simply CH3, CH3, CH2H, tertiary butyl carbocation. Same things. So there may be a beta elimination. Functional group attached carbon atom is alpha carbon. All the next carbon atoms are beta carbon, we know. All these beta carbon. During intramolecular dehydration, OH minus is removed from alpha carbon, H plus is removed from any one of the beta carbon. Now, H plus is removed from this methyl. There may be one beta elimination. This H may be removed as H plus, and this bond is shifted between carbon and carbon, may give an alkene. This is where minus H plus called beta elimination. H plus is removed from the beta carbon, gives an alkene. What is the molecular formula? CH3, C, double bond CH2, here you have one CH3. May give an alkene. The alkene again undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction based on Markovnikov rule, H plus Br minus A. What is Markovnikov rule? The negative part of the molecule is added to the double bonded carbon atom which containing lesser number of hydrogen or no hydrogen. In the double bonded carbons, addition reaction takes place. The negative part of the molecule is added to the double bonded carbon atom which contain lesser number of hydrogen or no hydrogen. H plus automatically added to the next carbon, CH2 becomes CH3, Br minus is added to Br. A double bond is converted into a single bond. So similar product is formed. So after formation of a tertiary butyl carbocation, there may be a formation of alkene. If alkene is formed, which again undergo nucleophilic addition reaction based on Markovnikov rule. Based on Markovnikov rules gives alkene. What is the name of this compound? Now I write the name of this compound. Main chain 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon root word prop. Carbon double bond in. Position of double bond 1. Second carbon contain 1 methyl, 2 methyl, prop 1 in, common name is isobutylene. This is nucleophilic substitution reaction of tertiary alcohol. Thank you for watching. In the incoming video, we are going to discuss about the elimination reaction takes place in alcohol. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.